Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to be talking to you about my brand new GoPro mount, the Dango design gripper mount. But before all of that, I would like to thank you for viewing my videos, liking my videos, and also subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe down below and also give this video a like rating. Anyway, carrying on, I've heard about this mount from many other dirt bike, motorbike YouTubers. Apparently this is one of the best mounts on the market right now. So I decided to buy it and test it out. Here's a few clips I took a couple of weeks ago. I hope you guys enjoy. As you see by the side-by-side comparison, the new footage is a lot better than the old footage. It's just the Dango mount gives you just a much better angle recording, and it's just a lot easier to achieve the angle, and it's a lot easier to keep the angle. I will be sticking with the mount as personally it suits me better. It's easy to put on, easy to take off, and easy to set up, which equals more riding time for me and more recording footage. So I'll be sticking with this until anything else pops up on the market. If you guys did enjoy it and you could take a few minutes out of your time to subscribe, like the video or dislike the video, comment down below why you liked the video or comment down below why you didn't like the video. And I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.